Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I am absolutely thrilled to sit down and talk to you about a piece of technology that has genuinely redefined my entire workflow, and that is the phenomenally impressive 2026 Samsung 16-inch Galaxy Book6 Ultra. If you have been endlessly searching for that perfect unicorn of a laptop, the one that somehow manages to combine the raw, uncompromised power of a heavy-duty desktop workstation with the sleek, lightweight portability of an everyday Ultrabook, then I need you to grab a coffee, settle in, and listen very closely, because your search ends right here, right now. Over the years, we as consumers have always been forced to make a very frustrating compromise. If we wanted to play high-end games or render 4K video, we had to buy a massive, heavy gaming laptop that broke our backs and had to remain permanently tethered to a wall outlet. On the other hand, if we wanted something light and easy to carry to classes or meetings, we had to sacrifice all that performance. Well, the brilliant engineers over at Samsung have finally shattered that compromise with this specific NP960UJH-XG4US model, delivering a traditional clamshell laptop that looks incredibly elegant in its professional gray colorway while hiding an absolute monster under the hood. Let's start by talking about the physical design and the overall build quality, because holding this machine is an experience in itself. When you first pull the Galaxy Book6 Ultra out of the box, the first thing that strikes you is just how impossibly slim it actually is. We're talking about physical dimensions of 14.05 inches in length, 9.76 inches in width, and a mind-boggling thickness of just 0.61 inches. It slips right into any standard backpack or messenger bag without causing an unsightly bulge. But the real magic happens when you pick it up, because this 16-inch powerhouse weighs a remarkably light 4.2 pounds. For a laptop that is designated for intensive entertainment, high-end gaming, and heavy student workloads, weighing just over 4 pounds is a triumph of modern engineering. You can comfortably carry it across a massive college campus or through a busy airport terminal all day without ever feeling fatigued. Now, as you lift that beautifully crafted lid, you are immediately greeted by what is undoubtedly the crown jewel of this laptop, the 16-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X touch display. Samsung is globally recognized as the undisputed king of screen technology, and they have pulled out all the stops for the Galaxy Book6 Ultra. This is an absolutely breathtaking OLED display, boasting a stunning native maximum resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels. Because it utilizes OLED technology, every single pixel emits its own light, which means when the screen needs to show the color black, those pixels completely turn off. The result is an infinite contrast ratio, with blacks so deep they blend right into the bezels, alongside colors that are violently vibrant, punchy, and wildly accurate. Whether you are a creative professional color grading an important video project, a student relaxing by streaming your favorite Netflix shows, or a gamer wanting to get fully immersed in a beautifully designed virtual world, this screen is an absolute feast for the eyes. And let's not forget that it's a fully responsive touch display, adding a wonderful layer of tactile versatility, allowing you to swipe through documents, pinch to zoom on high-resolution photos, and navigate Windows 11 Home with effortless intuition. However, a beautiful screen is utterly useless if the laptop cannot back it up with serious horsepower, and the Galaxy Book6 Ultra absolutely dominates in the performance department. Beating at the very heart of this sleek gray chassis is the cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, specifically the mighty Intel Core Ultra 7356H model. This single-count processor is an absolute beast, featuring speeds that can boost all the way up to an astonishing 4.7 GHz. It handles demanding computations, complex spreadsheets, and heavy software applications like they're absolutely nothing. But Samsung didn't stop there. To make this a true workstation and gaming rig, they equipped it with a dedicated NVIDIA 5060 graphics card powered by next-generation GDDR7 graphics RAM. Having a dedicated video processor of this caliber inside a laptop this thin is what sets it apart from the competition. It means you can fire up the latest AAA gaming titles and play them at high settings, or scrub through multiple streams of high-definition video in Premiere Pro without a single dropped frame or stutter. To ensure that neither the incredible Intel CPU nor the dedicated NVIDIA GPU are ever held back, Samsung has generously packed this machine with a massive 32 gigabytes of the latest LPDDR5X RAM memory technology. 32 gigabytes of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM means that multitasking is no longer a concern, it's a guarantee. You can realistically have 50 different Google Chrome tabs open while simultaneously running Adobe Photoshop, keeping Spotify playing in the background, and downloading a massive file, and the Galaxy Book6 Ultra will simply laugh at the workload. Storage-wise, you are getting a massive 1,000 gigabyte hard drive, which translates to a blazing fast 1 terabyte solid-state drive. This SSD provides more than enough room for massive game libraries, huge video project files, and all your applications, while delivering near instantaneous boot times that have you on the Windows desktop in mere seconds. Naturally, packing all of this extreme power into a chassis that is only 0.61 inches thick brings up the very valid concern of heat. Nobody wants a laptop that sounds like a jet engine taking off or gets too hot to comfortably rest on their lap. Thankfully, Samsung anticipated this and implemented their state-of-the-art advanced cooling system. This sophisticated thermal management setup works silently and efficiently to dissipate heat away from the core components, ensuring that the premium keyboard and the massive touchpad remain perfectly cool to the touch, even during the most intense gaming sessions or when rendering heavy video files. Speaking of input devices, that premium keyboard provides an incredibly tactile typing experience that makes writing long essays or coding for hours on end a genuine pleasure, while the expansive human interface touchpad tracks every swipe and multi-touch gesture with pinpoint accuracy. When it comes to power delivery and battery life, the Galaxy Book6 Ultra is equally impressive. Inside this slim frame sits an enormous lithium polymer battery with an energy content of 80.2 watt-hours. This means you have the all-day battery life required to leave the house without constantly scanning the room for the nearest power outlet. When you eventually do need to top up, the included compact charger and C-to-C cable make it incredibly convenient, ensuring your travel bag stays light and clutter-free. Furthermore, you're not sacrificing connectivity for this thinness. The laptop generously provides 3 total USB ports, giving you plenty of options to plug in external mice, hard drives, and accessories without needing to buy a handful of annoying dongles. Beyond the raw specs, the actual experience of using this laptop is elevated by a few very special features. The audio experience is powered by incredible Dolby Atmos speakers that deliver a surprisingly loud, rich, and immersive soundstage with deep bass that you simply don't expect from a slim laptop. But the true game changer for anyone who already uses Samsung devices is the Galaxy Connected experience. Because this laptop is designed to work in perfect harmony with compatible Samsung Galaxy smartphones and tablets, your workflow becomes entirely seamless. You can wirelessly extend your display to your Galaxy tablet for a dual monitor setup on the go, instantly drag and drop photos from your phone directly to your desktop, or have your Galaxy Buds auto-switch their connection from your phone to your laptop the moment you hit play on a YouTube video. It's a cohesive, interconnected ecosystem that rivals and frankly beats anything else currently on the market. Finally, a massive factor that you absolutely must consider is the warranty. While most tech companies are cutting corners and offering the bare minimum of protection, Samsung stands proudly behind the exceptional build quality of the Galaxy Book6 Ultra by offering a comprehensive 2-year manufacturer limited warranty. Knowing that your investment is protected for 2 full years gives you an incredible amount of peace of mind. It is absolutely no surprise to me that this incredible unit ranks so highly, currently sitting as a top bestseller in computers and accessories and boasting a flawless 5.0 out of 5 stars from customer reviews. If you are a student, a creator, a gamer, or a professional who refuses to compromise on power, portability, or display quality, the Galaxy Book6 Ultra is the ultimate solution. I have placed a special link down in the video description and pinned it in the top comment below. Clicking that link is the absolute best way to check the current pricing, read more about those 5-star reviews, and secure this absolute powerhouse of a laptop for yourself today. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button if you found this deep dive helpful, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video.